So here we are with a couple of different FIDO2 authenticators. First is the Yubikey 5 from Yubikey. Then we have the eToken FIDO from Thales, which is also USB Type A. Next, the IDPrime FIDO from Thales, which as you can see has a smart card form factor. If we start with the Yubikey, and this is the authenticator that you'll recognize, it's become almost synonymous with FIDO or FIDO2. It's very slim, it has a whole 4 keychain, it's very durable and rugged. The user action or touch happens on the top of the device. And I'm using this for my social stuff, for protecting social media as a second factor mostly. Then the eToken FIDO from Thales also has keychain mounting there. And the design language is somewhat different from the Yubikey. It's a bit thicker, it has an angle to it, and the user action, the touch, happens on the side of the authenticator. And I find this to work really well because when you're tapping the side, you're actually pressing the authenticator into the computer. Bit of a size comparison, you see the Yubikey is taller compared to the eToken from Thales, but you also see the eToken is significantly thicker. And overall, these are two really good devices. In terms of usability, because of the thickness at the port side, I find the Yubikey, it tends to wiggle a bit, whereas the Thales eToken, it's more secure into the computer device. Next, the real game changer here, the IDPrime FIDO or 3940. As you can see, this has a smart card form factor, and I'll compare that to my actual smart card in a bit, but you see it has a chip on card. It does have NFC, near field communication for wireless, and it's a very thin, essentially a smart card. I printed my username there, my demo user, and this specific card is an R&D prototype. Now, let's have a look here, and this might be very obvious to most of you, but so here's my actual smart card I use for my, my daily work stuff, and they are essentially identical in form factor. And the thing is, with the Thales FIDO smart card, right, what you can do is you can combine these two different use cases. You can do traditional PKI stuff like smart card or certificate based authentication, and then you can also do FIDO2 authentication. So, and that NFC opens up for a mobile use case, and I want to wrap this by just demoing how effective that is. So this is an iPhone 7. I have a demo web app. It's fido.demo.gemalto.com. I filled my username, which was Jonas, and it's now asking for the FIDO authenticator. So I put that on top of the device, and almost instantly I am authenticated. So really fast, really smooth.